Welcome to the Garage JLB 4x4. Today we are going to be installing the shock absorber. We just received this yesterday. Yep, brand new shock absorber that we've been needing for a while. We have all the ducts here just because we're afraid that they might melt in Arizona heat if we keep them in the car. So all the lift jacks we have are actually for 35-inch tires, so we had to improvise here. This is not something we recommend you do. In this video, we'll just be showing the rear side. This is the stock shock absorber. As you can see, we had already lost the lower bolt and we were driving like that for a while, and one day we were off-roading and the shock absorber came off completely. And also it was leaking oil already, so it was definitely time for us to change. This shock extender here came with the lift kit when we lifted the Jeep, but we will not be needing this anymore because the shock absorbers we got are compatible with the lift our Jeep currently has. And since you have your tires off, it's good time to inspect and make sure everything is in good shape. And when we put the tire back on, we'll be retorquing each bolt as well. And you can also check your brake while you're at it. And now it's time to say goodbye to the shock absorber. We've been through a lot together. Having a crowbar comes in handy, especially if you're operating low-budget style like us. Bye-bye.
He says too fast, so that means
It's a good workout. Oh, I could use it for a workout.
Okay.
Resistance.
This is a Fox 2.0 Performance Series. Sorry, 0 to 4 inches lift kit.
Here we're using the same bolt that came with the stock shock absorber.
this extension. for
You're
the
going to
lift.
remove what?
This one, this piece is an extension when you lift the car. So they come with the lift kit. So right now, because Fox, so we want to use the original one, so we don't need this one anymore.
Again, we don't need this anymore, so we're gonna be removing it completely.
This one we don't need.
Bye-bye. Okay, here you might want to pay close attention so you don't make the same mistake.
So we can do this. And look how slow it's coming down.
Pretty
It was too fast.
Yeah, it came down way faster than he expected. Now the mission starts. It's definitely good to have those lumber woods. We always keep them in the car.
I don't know.
This is going up too. Oh! I watched another person's video after this and he actually installed the lower bolt first, then cut the tie. Duh, it would have been much better. A little bit more up. A little bit.
There we go.
Yay! And that's it. It's pretty simple if you don't make the same mistake that we did.
We need to say this one is 60 pounds.
And how do you know that? And you do that until you can't move.
Then, when you hear this one, that means it's in 60. Same.
And while you are at it, you might as well clean. Since he had his torque wrench set for the shock absorbers, he would torque the tires after he installed the shock absorber on the right side. Obviously for this side it will be the same process, but this time we will do it without removing the tire. Let's see if we can do it or not.
Aha, we still have pressure. Why? If this one is in the air.
What did I tell you about crowbar and lumberwood? They come in handy.
Ah, la little loose, man.
Oh, this one too?
Yeah. And this one too, for you see?
He was saying the bolt on this side was loose also. When you have aftermarket stuff installed, be sure to check regularly.
Don't hit the phone. Wheel rock, chimney rock, chilita, tortolita, I don't know. Somewhere.
Yep, we've been through a lot together. Shouldn't be here.
Oh wow, that was very hard. Look.
We forgot to show you on the other side, but we used this thread locker to prevent the bolts from loosening.
Oh, too much.
Don't make the same mistake. Yeah. Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again.
I don't know that.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yep, I'm useless.
Okay, uncle. That's it? Yeah, that's it. This is too liquid.
So yeah guys, it is possible to install it without removing the tire. Obviously you have much easier access to everything with the tire removed. Oh, I also saw another video that this guy actually removed the fender liner also.
$120, I like with 120.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two from our mistakes. And comment below if you have any suggestion, recommendation, or what we could have done better. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you on the next video.